Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In this video I'm going to show you how to add deal statuses in the CRM plugin of RedmineUP. Okay, in our example I'm going to use our demo server, that is demo.redmineup.com. So you could also use it for your testing purposes. It is login admin and password admin. Okay, so to do it you have to go to administration sorry about that. That is here onto the top right corner, and then scroll down to the plugins. Afterward you will find the CRM plugin, so please just click on configure, and here please select the third tab here, that is deal statuses. Okay, in our case we have already created deal statuses. We see there is a default value as well as status type as well as sorting. While sorting, you could sort them and drag them in this way. So when you click on a deal from the drop down menu, this will be the order of the sorting of the deals as a list. So yeah, it is logically the new to be on the top and, for example, the lost to be on the bottom. However, you could change it in the way that you like. Okay, so if you'd like to just change an existing status, you have to click on it and then do the changes. For example, first contact, and we say test. So you can change the color, of course, to some other green, and the status to something else, and set it as a default, of course, if you wish. So yeah, this is the editing of an existing status. Okay, so if you'd like to create a new one, you just click on the new button here and write the status that you wish. So it could be testing status, and the color will be black. Okay, so the status could be lost, and that's it. Okay, so we have created our new testing status. And now one very important thing: when you create a new status, then it is not automatically added into the project that you wish. So you have to manually add it into the settings. So it is existing there, but you have to enable it. So okay, I'm going to show you how it could happen. So we go to the projects and then contacts plugin demo project, and now go to the settings, and here we see the deals tab. So we have deal statuses, and we see that the one that we have created, the black testing, it is not activated by default. So we have to activate it manually and save the changes. Okay, now when we go to a deal and select, for example, an existing deal, for example this one, and we edit it. Okay, so we see on status here, we could set now the testing new status that we have just added and activate it, of course, for this project. So okay, it is now selected, and we save. So we see that this is it. We have this status now that is applied and done for this deal. So yeah, we see that the testing status here is now applied. Well, yeah, this was the video about creating and editing and activating the deal statuses of the contacts plugin from RedmineUP. I hope this video was good and helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check others videos and articles. Thank you very much again for watching this video, and bye bye for now.